Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on diagnosing powerboard issues with the Thermomix TM5. If you're experiencing problems with your device, such as it not powering on or showing error messages, you might need to look into the powerboard. Let's get started with the tools you will need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the base cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the unit. Be careful to keep these screws safe, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. This is where you may find dust and debris that can affect performance. Using the compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the powerboard area. A clean board can significantly improve functionality. Next, we will inspect the powerboard itself. Look for any obvious signs of damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any physical damage, it may indicate that the board needs to be replaced. If everything looks in order, you should test the board using the multimeter to check for continuity and proper voltage. To do this, set your multimeter to the appropriate setting and check the connections on the powerboard. If you're unsure about performing these tests, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the issue without any commitment on your part. If you find that the board is functioning correctly but the Thermomix still won't start, you might want to check the connections to other components, like the motor or display. This is also a good time to clean any other areas that may have accumulated dirt. Once you have completed your inspections and any necessary cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during use. If your Thermomix is still not operational after these steps, you may want to consider professional help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient, no calls, no travel. Just arrange for a pickup, and we'll handle the rest. Before any repairs are made, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect financially. This gives you peace of mind and helps you make informed decisions regarding your appliance's maintenance. In summary, diagnosing powerboard issues in your Thermomix TM5 involves checking for physical damage, testing electrical connections, and ensuring cleanliness. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to our team for assistance. We're here to help you get your Thermomix back in working order with minimal hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.